Good beta. Number 16. Who wants to do number 16 beta?
Can I?
Me.
Yes beta, go hurry up. Kinza, hurry up beta, go.
To have the ear called perineal.
Yes beta. Number 16 is perennial beta. P-E-R-E-N-N-I-A-L. P-E-R-E-N-N-I-A-L. Perennial canals beta. Number 17. लिख रहे साथ साथ beta. Ali Hassan, are you writing the answers beta? Number 17. Who will do number 17? Kaleem, 17 का answer क्या beta?
Sir, I have
Musaf, number 17.
Nuclear.
Shabash. Number 17 is nuclear. Tabeen, number 18. Rohma, Mariam, anybody? Rohma, you want to do number 18?
Me.
Kaleem, go do number 18.
dash energy as amount of water remains the same and can be used again.
Shabash. Number
Renewable.
18 is renewable. Number 19, Musaf, आप करें बेटे.
Electricity generated by dash or dash power are other forms of renewable energy, solar or wind.
Shabash. Number 19 is solar or wind. Number 20. Tabeen, number 20.
45%.
Kinza, आप कीजिए number 20.
Me.
Sir, 45%.
जी.
45%.
Good beta. Number 20 is 45%. Number 20 is
55%.
okay. MCQs beta. MCQ number 1. How many of you have done MCQ? Tabeen, have you done MCQs?
Me.
Me.
Tabeen, आपने किया MCQs? मुदस्सिर, आपने किया MCQs बेटा? मुदस्सिर? चलिए मुस्तफ, आप number 1 करें MCQ बेटा.
Sir, may I do?
Better you do number 2. Musaf, do number 1 beta. Number 1 beta 2. In one molecule of water there are 2 atoms of hydrogen. Yes Musaf, you're right. In one molecule of water there are 2 atoms of hydrogen. Number 2, Kinsa, you want to do number 2 beta?
Yes.
Do beta, go ahead.
In one molecule of water, dash atoms of oxygen. 1.
Yes beta, there is 1 atom of oxygen. Answer of number 2 is 1. Number 3 beta, who will do number 3?
Me.
Go ahead beta, go do it. Kaleem kare beta.
Dash of words is water is fresh 3%.
Okay, good. Tabeen, number 4. Tabeen, hurry up beta, number 4.
We can only take the water.
How many days beta Tabeen?
5.
No.
5.
Roma, number 4 दोबारा करें बेटे आप.
Sir, 3 days.
Yes, the answer of number 4 is 3 days. Number 5, who wants to do number 5? Mudassir, are you here? Tahir? Musaf, आप कीजिए number 5 बेटा. Musaf, hurry up बेटा, give me the answer of number 5. Musaf कीजिए ना बेटा. Musaf, I'm asking you to give the answer. Musaf?
USA.
No beta, no.
Saudi Arabia.
Number 5 किसने किया और किसने किया?
सर मैंने किया.
चलिए बताइए बेटा number 5.
Saudi Arabia.
Yes, the answer of number 5 is Saudi Arabia. Number 6, Kinza, number 6 beta. Ji?
Amazon.
Amazon. The answer of number 6 is Amazon beta. Number 7. Number 7, who has done number 7? Give me the answer, Tabeen. Go ahead, Tabeen, give me the answer. Tabeen, go ahead, give me the answer.
Me.
Tabeen, you raise your hand, beta, give me the answer. Okay, who else? Tabeen cannot speak.
Me.
Okay, Kinza, give me the answer of number 7.
80.
Yes, the answer of number 7 is 80 kilometer. Number 8, who has done number 8? Tabeen, बताइए बेटा, आपके mic काम नहीं कर रहा Tabeen, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. If your mic is working, Tabeen, give me the answer of number 8. Musaf, आप बताइए number 8 बेटा. Musaf. Okay. Kinsa, आप बताइए number 8.
43 million.
43. Yes, the answer of number 8 is 43. Good, Kinza. Rohma, number 9 beta, आप बताएं Rohma.
Dash river is the longest river in Pakistan. Indus.
Good, shabash beta. Number 9 is Indus. Rohma, do number 10 also beta.
Dash percent of the water of irrigation in Pakistan comes from the rivers that make up the Indus River system.
What is the answer beta? Rohma. Anyone else who has this answer? Who has done this number 10?
I have done.
Ji beta.
60%.
Good, shabash beta. Answer of number 10 is 60%. Number 11. Who wants to do number 11? Go ahead, beta. Go ahead.
1932.
Shabash. Excellent. Number 12. Number 11 is 1932. Mariam, you want to do number 12? Who wants to do number 12?
Me.
मुझसे बताइए.
1967.
Good, beta. The Mangla Dam on the River Jhelum was completed in 1967. Number 12 is 1960. Kaleem, do the last one, beta.
Me.
Kaleem, do the last one, beta. Kaleem. Musaf, Roma, you want to do number 13? Last one, beta.
Me.
19.
Yes, beta. Roma, last one is 19. 19% of the world's electricity is hydroelectric power. Okay, beta? Okay, everyone? Did you all get all the answers?
Yes.
Okay. Open your books, beta. Chapter number. First, I want to read the last page of. It's important, beta. The last page of.
Sir?
Yes, beta.
Sir, I have
Yes,
chapter
Ro-
number 1, chapter number 2 notes and chapter number 4 notes. I don't have chapter number 3 notes.
Sorry, beta. दोबारा बताइए.
Sir, I have chapter number 1, chapter number 2 and chapter number 4 notes.
बेटे 4 के तो मैंने तो नहीं भेजे अभी आपको बेटे. मैंने सिर्फ आपको चैप्टर 1 और 2 के दिए बेटा.
Sir, I have 4 notes.
बेटे कहाँ से आ गया बेटा? अभी तुमने बनाया नहीं बेटे. ये तो नई बुक है. You don't have you have someone else's notes बेटे. हमने तो सिर्फ चैप्टर 1 और 2 के दिए ना बेटा अभी.
Oh, sorry.
I've only given chapter 1 and 2. Chapter 3 बेटे, we have almost finished chapter 3. I will send you first the objectives and then the question answers बेटे. Then we'll discuss those fill in the blanks and MCQs in the class बेटे. ठीक है. अभी chapter 3 के notes नहीं दिए मैंने आपको. आपके पास आप सबके पास बेटा chapter 1 और 2 complete होना चाहिए. After today's class you have all the fill in the blanks, MCQs, answers. So chapter 1 2 should be complete. I will send you the MCQs and fill in the blanks of chapter 3 and then question answers and then obviously chapter 4 बेटा.
Okay.
Okay. चलो बेटे open page number 50. Hurry up बेटे. We just have 5 minutes. Open page number 50 बेटा. सबने खोली पेज नंबर 50 बेटे?
Yes.
Who wants to read? Hurry up बेटे, मुझे बताइए.
Sir, me can I?
Okay, किंसा को बेटे. बेटे यहाँ पे सेकंड पैराग्राफ है जहाँ पे लिखा है लार्ज फैक्ट्रीज एंड वर्क्स. यहाँ से आपने रीड करना है बेटा.
Okay.
ये बेटे मैंने आपको लास्ट वीक
Large
एक्सप्लेन कर दिया था, बट इट्स एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट, सो बेटा आई वांट यू टू रीड इट बेटा. जी बेटा रीड.
Large factories and works also indirectly cause yet more noise pollution because of the buses and trucks that transport workers and goods to and from them. In 1997, the Pakistan Environmental Protection Act was passed. As a result, environmental magistrates and tribunals were appointed in order to enforce the act. The headline of an article in the Dawn newspaper in Lahore in November 1999 said,
Okay, बेटे this figure is telling you that which industry was punished for what. The rubber industry was punished for noise बेटे. The welding works was punished for noise. The shoe sole maker was punished for odor. Odor means smell बेटे. ठीक है. The stone crushing was punished for dust बेटे. You can well imagine when you crush the stone there's going to be a lot of dust. The rice mill was also punished for dust बेटे. ठीक है. So these are all the different kind of pollution that the industries create बेटे. मैंने इसलिए आपको ये दोबारा रीड करवा रहा हूँ बेटे, because in November we have smog. और बेटे आप लोगों को कितना इम्पैक्ट होता है सितंबर अक्टूबर में, जब अक्टूबर नवंबर में स्मॉग शुरू होती है. आपको वैसे भी मास्क पहनना पड़ता है. You're not able to come to school, you're not able to have assemblies, so you know कि क्यों इतनी ज्यादा आपको ये इम्पैक्ट करती है बेटे. किनसे कीप रीडिंग बेटा? नीचे से in addition to the pollution से पढ़े बेटा.
Sir, कहाँ से?
In addition to the pollution, बेटे जो नीचे से जो diagram के नीचे जो बेटे paragraph है.
In addition to the pollution of the air by smells and dust, many industries such as chemical works release sulfur dioxide and other harmful gases into the air. The burning of coal and oil in thermal electricity power stations also pollutes the air with oxides of nitrogen. Buses and trucks that serve industries also add the air pollution. Figure 3.4 shows contain trucks which good what effect are they likely to have on them and the
Kinza, keep reading better.
Pakistan government report to a United Nations UN conference in 1991 on environment become a serious health hazard in all major cities in
Hazard
Pakistan.
बेटे,
It causes,
not hazard बेटे. Kinza बेटे hazard, health hazard बेटा.
okay, hazard in all major cities in Pakistan. It causes sore eyes, sore throats, and respiratory disease, and also it has been estimated that in large vehicles are responsible for the largest proportions of sulfur dioxide and oxides of nitrogen present in the air. We have already learned in a little chapter 2 about the effect of industries in Karachi, what type of pollution they cause in addition to noise air pollution. The government report, the UN stated that this and
So बेटे now, okay, that's good enough बेटा. बेटे, so you know कि see how the pollution is created बेटे and what impact it is having on everything बेटे. तो क्योंकि हमारे लाहौर में ये बहुत ज़्यादा मसला है बेटे, इसलिए मैंने I have made you read again बेटे. We have discussed this even last time. कि आप you see a lot of pollution, you see smog बेटे. ये word smog कहाँ से आ रहा है बेटे? Because industry, factories, buses, bus transport vehicles, our cars, everything is emitting harmful gases into the air जो हम inhale कर रहे हैं. And that's why we always have these sore throats बेटे, खांसी हो रही है, गला खराब है, respiratory problems हो रहे हैं. So we're constantly having this problem. So pollution is a very very serious problem बेटे. ठीक है. और आपको बेटे with all of you know बेटे, corona is also a respiratory virus बेटे. So as it is, अगर आपको already respiratory problem हो, on top of that you have such kind of virus, तो वो आपको ज़्यादा impact करेगा बेटे. So unfortunately we have a extremely harmful air that बेटे we inhale जो हम inhale कर रहे हैं बेटे. I'm just give you very briefly बेटे. Please, if you get a chance to before tomorrow class, read the first few pages of chapter number 4 बेटे. This is our last geography chapter बेटे. इसके बाद हमारा history का portion start हो जाएगा. So inshallah maybe by the end of next week we'll be able to finish chapter number 4. तो उसके बाद हमारी history start हो जाएगी बेटे. तो almost half of your book is done. This chapter number 4 is about trade and transport, and there is an internal trade which is within the country, whatever you sell or buy within the country, and obviously international trade, that when you sell something outside Pakistan. Pakistan की जो biggest export है वो cotton related products है, because we have produced very good cotton. उस cotton से we make cloth and we make garments and we sell it to other countries, and that is called export बेटे. And things that we bring into Pakistan from other countries, these are called imports. So internal trade is something that we do within the country, and external trade is that we do with other countries बेटे. And then they explain to you in your book on second page of your chapter number 3, chapter 4 beta, why do people trade, why there's a need for trade period, because obviously we have surplus of something, so we trade बेटे. ठीक है. जिस जो चीज हमारे पास कम होती है हम दूसरे मुल्कों को बेच देते हैं, और जो चीज हमारे पास नहीं होती हम उनसे मंगवा लेते हैं बेटे. I don't know if you have any idea, but हमें सबसे ज्यादा हमें पाकिस्तान में पेट्रोल मंगवाते हैं बेटे, because हमारे पास पेट्रोल नहीं होता, and it's a large country and we need a lot of petrol बेटे, oil products. तो सबसे ज्यादा हम oil मंगवाते हैं from different countries बेटे. But there are other things also that we machinery, phones, you know सबके phones China से आते हैं, USA से आते हैं, we import from other countries बेटे. So please read these first few pages. Obviously we'll discuss this again in tomorrow's class. This is a chapter about trade and then transport, because whenever you want to sell something you need transportation system. तो इसके बारे में है, and this is the last chapter of geography बेटे. ठीक है. Take care बेटे, all of you. अल्लाह हाफिज बेटे. अल्लाह हाफिज.